Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account has been blocked in App Store and iTunes. If you're using an iPhone and your account has been blocked in your App Store and iTunes, let's see how can you easily fix that issue. The very first thing is that you have to check that you have enabled significant location in your phone. So open settings, go for privacy and security, go for location services, go for system services, and you have to look for significant locations, and you have to make sure that you have enabled that toggle. Once you have done, you have to go back and here simply tap on your Apple ID from here, and then you have to go for this payment and shipping option, and you have to wait for a second here and verify yourself. Once you have verified, you have to make sure that you have added your payment method here, or you have to make sure that you have enter your correct address here. You have to double check for that. Once you have checked, simply go back or tap on this done option. Once you have done, you just have to go back and you have to retry. Or if you are having an issue here, so you can easily change your country or region or your address from that. Once you have changed, you have to open up your settings again. If you're still having the same issue, go first your Apple ID. And from here you have to select the sign in and security option, and then you have to try to change your password. Tap on the change password option, and here you have to enter your passcode, and here you have to enter your password. You have to create a new password and then retype your new password, then tap on continue option, and your password will be changed. Once you have changed, it almost fix your issue, or if it doesn't work, you have to go for your browser and you have to simply search for sport.apple.com, or you have to search for Apple Sport here. Once you have searched, you have to open the first website from here, and here you have to select your device. It might be your iPhone or iPad or Mac. You have to select that which you want, and from here you just have to scroll down and look for the Get Sport option. Tap on the Start Now option from here, and you have to select App Store from the menu, or you have to select the More option. Then select App Store, then tap on Continue, and here you have to look if your issue is here, or if you can't find the issue here, you have to describe the issue in your own words. And once you have that, you will get the official help from Apple. So you just have to look for it, or if it didn't help you, tap on this Get More Help option, then tap on Call Us, and here you will find the number of the Apple Support. You can easily talk with Apple support team and get official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix if your account has been banned or disabled in App Store and iTunes. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.